talking government contracts, how to use SAM.gov to make your first $100,000. Welcome everyone to another episode of the Workforce Workshop. Today we'll be talking about a topic that could transform your business, leveraging SAM.gov to secure lucrative government contracts. If you are an entrepreneur or a business owner looking to take your revenue to the next level, you are in the right place. I'm your host Shiraz Kelly, and let's dive into the world of government contracting. Understanding SAM.gov. First thing first, what is SAM.gov? SAM is short for System for Award Management. It is the official website of the US government where businesses can register to do business with the US government. It is a centralized hub where government agencies post procurement opportunities and where businesses can search for contracts that align with their expertise. Getting started on SAM.gov. Now that we understand what SAM.gov is, let's talk about how to get started. The first step is to register your business on the platform. The process involves creating an account, providing basic information about your business, and obtaining a DUNS account number. If you don't already have one, once registered, you will gain access to a wealth of contracting opportunities. Navigating the interface. SAM.gov can be a bit overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, the interface is designated to help you easily navigate through the vast array of contracting opportunities. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the various features such as the search function, filters, and alerts. These tools will help you narrow down the search and find contracts that are the best fit for your business. Finding contract opportunities. With your account set up and interface mastered, it's time to start searching for contract opportunities. Use keywords relevant to your industry to filter through the listing and identify contracts that align with your capabilities. Pay attention to the requirements, deadlines, and evaluation criteria for each opportunity to determine which ones are worth pursuing. Crafting a winning proposal. Once you identified a contract opportunity that interests you, it is time to craft a winning proposal. Take the time to thoroughly read the solicitation documents and understand what the government agency is looking for. Tailor your proposal to address the specific requirement I outlined in the solicitation, highlighting your qualification, experience, and ability to meet the needs of the contract. Submitting your bid. With your proposal ready to go, it's time to submit your bid. Pay close attention to the submission instructions and deadlines outlined in the solicitation document. Ensure that your bid is complete, accurate, and submitted on time to avoid being disqualified from consideration. And don't forget to follow up after submitting your bid to confirm receipt and address any questions or concerns. Navigating the contracting process. Congratulations, you've submitted your bid and now you await the outcome. If your bid is successful, you will enter into a contract negotiation with the government agency. Be prepared to negotiate term, pricing, and deliverables to ensure a mutually beneficial agreement. And once the contract is awarded, fulfill your obligations with excellence to pave the way for future opportunities. Scaling your government contract business. Securing your first government contract is an exciting milestone, but it's just the beginning. As you successfully fulfill contracts and build relationships with government agencies, you will gain credibility and pave the way for future opportunities. Invest in building a reputation for excellence, delivering quality work, and exceeding expectations to scale your government contracting business and achieve your financial goals. And there you have it, our guide to using SAM.gov to make your first $100,000 through government contracting. By understanding the platform, navigating the interface, finding contract opportunities, crafting winning proposal, submitting bids, and navigating the contracting process, you will be well on your way to success. Thanks for tuning in today. and best of luck on your journey to government contracting success. If you find this episode helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship, business growth, and success strategies. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future episodes, feel free to write them in the comment section. Until then, take care and keep striving for greatness.